I welcome you all for this open elective awareness session on the course Vehicular Communication Electronics offered by Department of Automobile Engineering. I am your course instructor Mr. G. Janagiraman, Assistant Professor from the Department of Automobile Engineering. The course duration is 45 hours. Next, the opportunities in this course. After completion of this course, you have opportunities in this field: vehicular telematics, electric and hybrid vehicles, and vehicular infotainment. So the vehicular telematics, it deals about information and the sharing of a vehicular location using GPS, GSM, and electric and hybrid vehicles. Almost in next decades, almost 75% of vehicle is replaced by the electric vehicles. So this course have contribution for these electric and hybrid vehicles. And next, the vehicular infotainment. So the information from the vehicle are shared through the various communication mediums, and it reaches the designation such as laptops, mobile phones, and other infotainment devices. So once you complete this course, you have opportunities in these three areas. So next we see the syllabus. So total duration of the course is 45 hours. Each unit carries 9 hours. So the syllabus is designed in such a way so that everyone can achieve the course outcomes. So the syllabus consists of 5 units. So the first units cover the fundamentals of the electronic signals acquisition and conditioning. So it covers the fundamentals of the electronic devices used in the for data acquisition. And the second unit is the signal processing using op-amp. So once you acquire the signal from the devices, you can process the signal. So the second unit covers those areas. Next, third unit. The third unit, signal coding and error detection technique. So while transmitting and receiving, the signal should be without error free, so that we use the coding for reducing the error. So the third unit contributes for signal coding and error detection techniques. Next, the fifth unit, signals and modulations. So for proper transmission and reception, we have the signals has to modulated into the with various modes. So the fourth unit covers the signals and modulations in a broad area. The fifth unit covers the various types of communication mediums used for transmission and reception, such as wireless, wired, and antennas. So after completion of this course, you have the following outcomes. So all the learners, that you are the students, you can able to design a circuit for data acquisition, and you can able to design a circuit for data processing, and you can able to design a circuit for transmitting and receiving of the signal using various communication mediums. So these courses offered to circuit and core stream students. Thanking you. For more details, you contact me at janagiraman@mcet.in. Thank you.